2012 Ford Mustang GT Coupe Roushcharged here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, 24,534 on the odometer at the moment. Of course, the 5-liter V8 supercharged underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 6-speed automatic with overdrive transmission. Let's take a look at the front fascia, grille. So you have some lightly smoked driving lights and headlights. Black exterior, red vinyl stripe, char black interior. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Definitely take a look at the underside pics. This car is extremely clean underneath. As you can see, riding on Carroll Shelby wheels. Has lowering springs in it, as you can tell by the stance. Flowmaster exhaust. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. You can see the paint on this one. It shows well. There's no major nicks, dings, scratches. It's black. You may find a little touch up here or there, a very small little pebble chip or rock chip, what have you. Overall, great look. Bucket seats, of course, leather, center console, shaker stereo system. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email on that. Once again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, 24,534 on the odometer right now. Of course, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like specialty Mustangs, or just Mustangs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Better yet, go in there and search Mustangs and look at some of the Mustangs we've had here in the past if you like checking out cars. Once again, driver's side paint also looks good. No major nicks, dings, scratches, dents. Let's take a look at the interior. So of course, power windows, power locks with power seat over here in the driver's side. Roush floor mats, and the seats show very little wear. What you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it, well taken care of. We do have a boost gauge that's been added. The vent area. Of course, steering wheel controls for stereo, cruise control, information center. All right, the best part, to start this up. All right, so there's your exact miles, 24,534. That light is just because I don't have my seatbelt on. No check engine light, service engine soon like that. Gauges look good. Stereo system, everything works. Of course, the sync system in this one by Microsoft. Dash looks good, and take a listen. Ooh, get a little supercharger whine on there too. This will be a fun car. Single handle, get up and go, and look good doing it. All right, let's slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood real quick. Check out that engine bay. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will show you how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, get a look at the underside of the hood. It's clean as the rest of the car. And there it is. That Roushcharged 5-liter. display pieces, dressing that engine bay up a little. Looks good, sounds good underneath there. 2012 Ford Mustang GT Coupe, Roushcharged. A little over 24,000 miles, is all clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2012 Ford Mustang. This would be supercharged by Roush Performance Packages. Definitely making Mustangs more fun for many years. And it's a lot quicker than you would expect. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Quickly got up over the speed limit. Plenty of power. There is a boost gauge on the left vent, letting you know what's happening with that power adder. The fuel gauge is reading a little over half, the temperature gauge a quarter of the way up. Battery's charging over half, and so is the oil pressure. Oil pressure almost 3/4. That all looks good. Tachometer working as it should. Stereo. Works good. Brakes nicely. Really nice rumble coming out the back, as most Mustangs do have. And of course, a little bit of supercharger sound only makes it better. A little bit of vibration on the steering wheel, that may be just a flat spot in the tire. Really nice condition Mustang. Bucket seats. Comfortable for long trips or just having fun really quickly on the highway. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Mustang at UniqueClassicCars.com.